Hi again, this is Isabella, the drylin SD product specialist here at igus. Today I'm going to quickly talk to you about what igus can provide when you need the longest amount of lifetime for your lead screw. When working with engineers, I usually start by assessing what the number one goal for the application is. For applications where lifetime is the number one requirement for any component, I will recommend j200 as the nut material. To achieve the highest number of cycles for your j200 lead screw nut, we recommend pairing it with an aluminum lead screw from igus. Our aluminum lead screws are rolled from 6082 aluminum and finished with a hard anodization coating. Igus's j200 lead screw nuts are standard catalog items that are machined from bar stock. For when those standard parts don't fit into your application, we can also machine that bar stock to a custom solution for your application. Our j200 lead screw nuts are meant for diameters ranging from 8 to 20 millimeters and can handle axial loads upwards of 500 pounds. Some added benefits to pairing a j200 nut with an aluminum lead screw from igus is that you're getting an extremely lightweight and non-magnetic solution. These are great properties for industries in aviation and medical imaging. To see how iglide j200 compares to our other lead screw nut materials, you can see the chart here on the screen. To find out whether or not j200 would be a good solution for your application, click the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.